Hello, friends! We have an unboxing to do. Guess what came? Mindful Souls. So excited. So excited. It's Friday. And I played bagpipes today. It's been a great day so far. I mean, I was playing bagpipes for a sad reason. To remember a friend, a colleague of mine who unfortunately passed away in a fire, serving as a hero. He is the best of men. The best of men. It was an absolute honor to play at a few of his ceremonies, but today especially because it was with my colleagues with whom he worked. So I came home and there were boxes on the porch. So I have this box and then I have another one from Simply Earth, which is a new box, and I'll talk about that one separately in a different video. So this is I just opened it. I haven't looked in it. We have a cool sticker, and as you know, these either go in my journal and they go on my laptop. And this is, oh, it's like a little hand with a little lotus. That's cute. I guess maybe you could color it. You could color it if you wanted to. I do like to color, but I'm not great at it. The affirmation for prosperity. My good comes from everywhere and everyone. So that's cool. And I do believe that. I don't believe that money is really what makes us wealthy. Relationships and experiences. That's what makes us wealthy. All right, here's the handy dandy book that you know that I don't read until after I've looked at everything. So again, they have the cutest little bags. I do love these little bags. Let us see what it is. I like to guess and see if I know what these things are. Do I know what these things are? No. Scissor bracelet. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's pretty. It's got a little Buddha on the thing. No idea what these stones are, but it's a nice light color. I wear darker stuff, but I like it. I do like it. So we have a box of patchouli. I have to say, I'm not a fan of patchouli. And I think it's because I grew up in the age of The Cure. And I was into The Cure, and I was into those bands, like the Dead Kennedys and stuff. And everywhere you went, everybody wore too much of this. And it smelled terrible. But I have friends who like patchouli, so, you know, hit me up. Be the first one to ask for it, and this puppy's yours. But it is cool that it's in the box. See, what is in this fancy bag? There's lots of little bags this time. It's not like a giant crystal popping out. Okay, this is a little crystal. I have no idea what color it is. It's kind of almost like a clear purplish marble. No idea. So we have a necklace. Oh, that's pretty. It's got a really cool, like, thing on it. That's really pretty. No idea what stone that is. I do like when they do the better. I like when they have a clasp, because I have very thick hair and I can't get necklaces over my head. Let's see. These are all different kinds of crystals. I'm not seeing a common theme. I don't know what the theme is for this box. Oh, I have a few of these. You meditate with them. I actually like that color too. That's pretty cool. It's green. They have a name. I don't remember what it is, but that's cool. It's different. It's pretty cold though. I got it all cut up. There we go. It's cool. And what is this? So usually I can tell a theme of a box. This box doesn't feel like it has a theme. This is a larger crystal. This is Tiger's Eye. It's the one I know because it's the one I like, which means wisdom. That's why I like it. So that is a legit cool stone. I'm going to have to say that I like Mindful Souls, but I'm not really impressed with this box. Because usually there's like some like big thing in it, like even if it's like a notebook, there's one that comes with a notebook. I've never gotten the notebook yet. And it's funny because I now watch a bunch of people who do unboxings, and we seem to all get different things at different times. So, I don't know. Like, I think this month was just like throw random stuff in a box for Beth. It's pretty, but I know how much these things cost, and this month's box is not worth what I paid for the box. Because I can get all of these things individually much cheaper. So, that makes me sad, because I really do like Mindful Souls, but now it makes me want to watch my next box to make sure that it's actually, like, legit. Because I don't want to lead you all the wrong way. And, you know, maybe this patchouli costs like $1 million, but by and large, like, these things are like $5. You know, you can get these for $5, and these you can get for like $2. So it's not, nothing in here is like saying, oh, this is something that you're getting a deal on. I have to call it the way I see it, and I'm not seeing it. Let's read the book and see if I should be more impressed. Tiger Eye Stone, I like that, because I like Tiger's Eye, but again, I have stones like that I've paid like $7 for, so, you know, I don't know if it's worth it. Indian agate beads necklace bracelet, you know, it's a meditation, that's the longer one, that's redstone necklace, smoky quartz sphere, Amazonite bracelet, and surprise aroma oil. Oh, so everybody gets a different one. Oh, dang it. Everybody gets a different one, and I got patchouli. Dang it. Well, I do like Mindful Souls. I like the sticker. I like this thing. But I have to say, Mindful Souls, I love you. I don't love this box. There's nothing wow in it. Like, I don't know. What's the theme of it? How does any of that have to do with abundance and prosperity? You know, like, I don't know. I'm a little sad because I was hoping for... They've usually knocked it out of the park. So I will say that, you know, if this is the only one that's off, maybe next month will be better. And we'll see. If it's not better, then I will have to say goodbye. Because, you know, these are a lot of money, and I can buy that stuff individually for cheaper than I paid for the box. So now it's on alert, which I'm heartbroken about, because I really do. I like the box, and I like this other stuff they sell, and I like their customer service. So we'll see. All right, that's my review. Honest as always. Wishing all of you all the very best in light and love, and I will see you soon for my unboxing of the Simply Earth Megabox. Bye-bye.